Today I am going to tell you why the chaklis you make don't turn out to be crispier but become soft. I am going to give you three reasons why they don't turn crispier. Listen to all of them carefully. Apart from this, if you have any doubts, you can leave it in the comment section. We make sure we answer to it. First reason, the chaklis don't turn out to be crispier because the ratio between the rice and the gram dal, if the amount of the rice and the gram dal is not proper or improper, then the dough turns out to be very soft and the chaklis will become very soft rather than being crispier. Reason number two, mixing the dough. We have to be very careful while mixing the dough. If the water content while mixing the dough becomes more, then also the chaklis we make will not become crispier because it will take a lot of time for the dough to absorb oil either, or it absorbs a lot of oil and makes it very soft. Reason number three, the temperature of the oil. If the temperature of the oil is not hot enough for the chaklis to get cooked properly, then also the chaklis become very soft even after it cools down. And finally, the chaklis after making should be cooled down to the room temperature before we start using it. This is also another tip for them to be crispier. Thank you.